Welcome to assembly instruction video of this Polo DX 3-in-1 manufactured by FunRide Toys. Box includes main body, complete handle, front wheel, footrest, rear wheels, handrest complete with take, rear basket, blowing handle, parental handle pipe, musical head, canopy, AAA cell. Take the main body. Press the plastic lock button on the main body and insert the rear wheel axle pin into the slot until it locks securely in place. Press the lock button and insert the front wheel into the fork until it locks securely in place. Insert the handlebar into the front fork and ensure it is securely locked in place. Press the lock button and insert the footrest into the main body until it locks securely in place. Press the lock button and insert the handrest and headrest assembly into the main body. Push it down until the lock button clicks securely into place. Insert the canopy pipe into the frame and press until the lock button clicks into place. Make sure the canopy is securely locked before use. Attach the rear basket box to the main body and tighten it securely using the bolt and butterfly nut. Insert the blowing handle into the iron pipe and tighten it securely using the bolt, nut, and a screwdriver. Insert the parental handle into the flute pipe, adjust it to the desired height, then slide the plastic bush upward to lock both pipes securely in place. Open the battery cover of the musical head using a screwdriver. Insert two AAA batteries into the battery compartment according to the polarity. Close the battery cover and tighten the screw securely using a screwdriver. Attach the musical head to the handlebar using the bolt and nut. Tighten it securely with a pair of pliers. Now this Polo DX 3-in-1 is ready for your baby to use.